Hello and welcome to another limitedresources.us product demonstration video. Today we are going to be talking about stackable washers and dryers. Obviously we don't have one in the studio today, but we thought it would be a good idea to let you know that our dryer coin box can easily handle the 240 volts required to run that unit. Stackables run off of one dryer cord, and of course our dryer unit has our outlet for that. One other consideration when using stackables is that both the dryer and washer run at the same time. So we would recommend a slight increase in charging our customers from maybe $3 to $4 to cover such an expense. For more information on our washer coin boxes, dryer coin boxes, or other fine products, please visit us at limitedresources.us or follow the links given below. Thank you very much and have a great day.